14 Nobleton Avenue, we start with plenty of room, mix in hardwood floors, stylish tiles, and large windows for an ocean of natural light, and we've got the perfect recipe for your new home. This exceptional home incorporates just the right balance of open-style space with enough separation to make each room on the first floor private and comfortable. Cozy up with the family by the gas fireplace for game night or movie night in this inviting lounge area. Prepare a delicious meal in an open, airy kitchen complete with newer appliances, granite countertops, and loads of cupboard space for that well-stocked kitchen. Relax outdoors in the privacy of your fenced-in yard with a patio that makes it easy to serve up some barbecue fun on a sunny afternoon. If it's quiet conversation you're looking for, we've got a living room for that too. And if it's your turn to serve up a holiday meal, the separate dining room makes all the difference. This 4-bedroom, 4-bath home has lots of room for everyone. The master suite, complete with walk-in closet, private bathroom with separate shower and tub, and large bright windows makes for a great start to any day. Oh, there's more. The completely finished basement is a perfect space for a teenage hangout or a playroom, maybe a gym or a game room, you decide. 14 Nobleton Avenue is conveniently located to great schools pre-K through 12, and recreational parks and playgrounds are just a short walk away. All amenities close by makes that quick run to the grocery store a snap. So, if you're ready for convenient living with room to grow and space to entertain, be sure to call Jake Prescott of Tracy Arnett Realty today.